अभी मैं लिटिल सोने के लिए लेटी हुई हूँ, ठीक है। लेकिन स्टिल आई गॉट वन मोर मैसेज. आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन, बट आई एम गेटिंग this grandfather always all their life this get protected by them. Why? Because I'm getting after few years, 4 to 5 years, this family member got to know the kid never murder yet, so they try hard to put this kid into a misery situation more, so can create the bad situationship not only on this kid but on the other family where the kid is bring up. The family member also got the misery because some kind of ritual they did on kind of the um, drinking issue. I'm getting some kind of marital affair in family where this kid's going to bring up. Upbringing is going on. They intentionally try to put some kind of ritual on their family members so they can involve in the cheating, third party systems, or drinking, or all kind of the financial crisis, so they can this kid got bring up in the very more miserable situation or more traumatized, because as much as the kid going to traumatize, these family members going to easily get the energetically got the benefit of on it, because because these people try hard. This the family member who kidnapped to this kid, they try hard. If this kid is got murdered, they got all the put the sacrifice as a put the sacrifice, and whatever they wanted, they got at once. But I'm thinking it's not happened, so therefore they try hard all their life to harm this other kid, try to sexually kind of situationship occurred in the kid life because of its planning and plotting by their own family member through ritual, so they can traumatized sexually, emotionally, mentally in all cases. So this kid never been normal while they are become elder, right? So that's the main issue. And on the other side, the grandfather actually protecting this kid from every situationship while they are going to stuck in some kind of sexually situationship. They always protected by their ancestor or their grandfather father while they were alive, because they know their family member putting some kind of ritual on this kid. That's the main reason the both side their grandfather always protecting this kid. Okay, this is the message. Now bye.